Alright, I'm making a video here because I had a very difficult finding the green plug known for the Sv650s. Usually burns out. Now I'm not sure if it's burnt out yet, but I'm just showing you the location where it's located. I've seen a whole bunch of videos people were saying was under the tank, behind the filter, but all there is just a yellow plug. But for the at least for the naked bikes, for the naked SV, it's not behind the filter. I believe the S version, the sports version with all the fairings on it, is in that location right there. But for the naked ones, just like this, it's actually, believe it or not, is inside the light, and it's right there. If that's what you're looking for, it's right in there. It's just literally just two screws. Keep it headlight in. Remove it. There's one here and one right here, and then you just pull it straight out. You might have to play with it to kind of pull it off, but it slowly comes off. But it's right there. That's the gremlin plug they're talking about. That sure not that usually messes up your whole bike and why it doesn't turn on whatsoever. But thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you.